Hi Minasan, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Abby Kareen, your friendly neighborhood nerd, and we are back with Demon Slayer episode 2. Heck yes, I went on a rant earlier because it was just I'm so excited for this show, and I missed this show. I missed it so much. So let's just really get into it. Again, this is on my friend's channel, Imon Snow. I'm still working with her. We do a lot of fun shows together like Community, Mr. Robot, which is a freaking doozy, and then of course JoJo's, which is like the bee's knees as well as this show. Yes, I did say the bee's knees because it is. I bring back those sayings and I don't care. But we're back with this and I'm just so excited. So we're really just gonna dive in. You can catch the full version of this on Patreon, and it's also ahead, I believe, by 3 weeks, at least it should be. But yeah, and then I don't know if we're gonna have to have the watermark on this as well for YouTube, but if so, you can get the clear version on Patreon as well. And don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. All right, let's do this. I'm just ready for more Rengoku. I'm so ready for him. And now the gang's here. I'm watching Dororo, and that is another just great like anime with like samurais and demons. What are you doing? He's so funny, but I just love that he's into it. Oh my gosh, such joy. So funny. I'm gonna start saying that from now on. I would hate to be someone in this cart though, unless he was sharing. That's the only way I'd be like about this. And he reminds me of oh yay, an intro. Ooh, well hold on. This is a great start. This is a movie enough for me. Deceit in this intro. I am not for that. He needs to say a woman. He is beautiful. I do not trust these passengers though. They have to be maybe they're just controlled. I don't know. Oh, and this guy, that's right. Oh, he's gonna be, well, that's a spoiler. I guess no, maybe it's not. Because I guess we knew he was like going for Tanjiro, and this is wait, is that little brother? He has a little brother too? Oh, his dad. What? What's going on with his dad? Is he depressed? He didn't look sick. Because if you're sick, you're laying down and you're just like, you know, what the hell? The hell? There's another demon. How many demons are here? What the hell? Y'all, I am on one right now. First of all, I love that this is centered around Rengoku. Again, I have to say that, but that intro just gave me so much. What? Oh, these poor ladies. How dare he? He needs to clean up after himself. Oh, she is. Oh, just kidding. I didn't realize he had her in there. I didn't realize he was wearing it. Oh my gosh. He is like Mirio. I think that's why I love him. He's like a big goofy like himbo. Oh yeah, tell him about the flame breathing. Or... He's not even like... I love this scene. Oh, I remember how great that scene was. Oh, well, thanks. Oh, so maybe it's just like special to your family. Oh. Say yes, damn it. Say yes. Ooh, who's Kaze? I wonder if it's that one kid. Thank you. Well, maybe they're supposed to master all of them. Maybe they're specialists like in Hunter x Hunter, and they can just do everything. Because he did water, he did fire. Maybe he's supposed to do all of them. Yeah, he is. He is strange though. Just let this just be a movie of just them on a train. We don't need no demons. This is so entertaining. Zenitsu, you're fine. You're fine. Don't. Oh, who? Shady eyes. Can't see his eyes. He looks dead. Looks like a vampire or a ghoul. I don't know. I like my conductors to have a bit more enthusiasm, honestly. Oh, lights are flickering. How convenient. Okay, what's about to pop through? Actually, let me prepare myself because something's about to happen. Oh. See, you're being controlled. You're being controlled, aren't you? Can we help it? Oh? I mean, can we look at this conductor and see that he is... Shit. Oh, man. Oh, damn. That is... Ooh, I would jump out that... Ooh, he's big. Yes. Yes, burn him. Burn him at the stake. That's... Oh, these people. Like, Inosuke, Zenitsu, and Tanjiro should be, like, getting people out of this car. Oh, that was so cool. Did we get him? Is he good? Is he dead? Yeah. Oh, this. Oh, wow. The freaking visuals are so good. Oh, well, be careful. Don't go alone. Not again. Oh, fuck. Woo! Is it like with... Sorry, I'm like really just like, what the hell? So is it like with Muzan where in his like fortress, it's like, oh my god, what is going on? Why didn't you run? Oh shit. Oh shit, get down! Ooh, that one's creepy. Ooh, no. Oh my gosh. I'll get to my other thought in a moment. This is... Yeah. But you do want to protect... Oh no! Oh, it is like a spidery thingy. Ooh, no. Oh yay, see, he deserves the title of Hashira. Okay, so... Second form, let's go! I love this visual. It is so hot. It's so hot, literally. And I wish I saw this in theaters because I know seeing this on like the big screen would be everything. That was so good. What is going on with his face? Big boy, big brother. No, this is so fun. Okay. Whew. Why is he sleeping on him? So funny. Are there not passengers missing? Is this the... Yeah, that's him. Oh no, what's wrong, buddy? Poor. Us. Ugh. Ew. Oh no. Oh. Just with your voice? These poor people. So he's not dead? So can we save this guy? And why are y'all listening to him? I mean, I'd rather just like kill me. I'm not gonna, I don't know. So it's like a dream world. I'm assuming, oh, this is, wow. Very, very realistic. Whew. Okay, so you are, so okay. So as long as nothing is popping out, just get yourself to wake up somehow. Oh. This is messed up. Oh, he literally just like gives you like what you want the most, which is sweet, but oh my gosh, this is just, no wonder that guy wanted to go back. No, don't drop your sword. No, don't. No. Because now he's never gonna want to leave. Oh, he's back being, oh my god. Oh my god. This demon is mad. I don't. Okay. I'm gonna be so sad for him. Like when he, like, this is fucked up, but like. You were so evil. Twisted. Okay, stop having a hard on. He's literally having. First of all, Tanjiro can easily get out of that. No, they're going somewhere. What is going on? Why did they have to tie the bodies? I just don't understand. That's, I must have missed that, or they didn't say it. Oh, his family. This is so. But is Nezuko there? What a great family. And to lose, I'm just sad because like he lost this, and it's this is like rubbing. It's just making me sad for him. Deeper into sleep, probably, right? I mean, to be fair, his power is really beautiful. I just don't like them. I don't like them. Because it's just mean. Like, okay, but maybe Nezuko's gonna save the day. Oh, is it done? Damn. Well, we're gonna go into the next one because I'm not stopping. This is way too good. And the freaking, again, these visuals, they're just, I just love this show. Oh, his family. Oh, his dad is so handsome. All of his families. Oh my gosh, their little family. I love them. It's so cute. Yeah, so it's like gonna be, first of all, it's hard. It's probably gonna be hard for him to like, actually, I'll wait. Should have been. Great. It's probably gonna be a tearjerker, so I will have my tissues at the ready. Rengoku and Tanjiro as like bros is going to be the death of me. It's another Yuji and Toto moment, and I'm living for it. I just love it. I mean, they're more best friends, and this is like big bro, but it's just adorable, and I love their relationship. I can't wait. Rengoku better not die. That's all I have to say. Because, like, we need to see him throughout season 2. He's just too good. He's just too good. He's amazing. And I want to know about his family. I'm curious about his dad because his dad looks depressed. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, obviously, like, depression looks different for different people. But, like, I just remember, like, if someone was sick, it kind of reminds me more of, like, what you would see in Kubo and the Two Strings with the mom, like, how she's just not well. But for this dad, it looks like he's, I don't know. I don't know what happened. Because I think from the intro, his wife was there. So I don't think she's dead. So I'm curious, like, why he's so sad. And, like, this also just makes me sad because it's kind of like another Kocho thing where it's like you're smiling for your loved one. And I feel like that's probably what Rengoku is doing. It's just like, you know, he has to put on this very positive face because there's such darkness at home, which makes this even more sad. So, I'm sorry. When we get to his dream, I don't know how I'm going to feel about it. Because, like, I'm picking up from these hints. I'm just like, I don't know. It makes me sad for him. And I feel like anyone, well, I guess it makes sense because everyone from the Hashira has been affected by demons or something. It seems like they all have pretty troubled pasts or some type of sad, dark past. So it will be interesting to actually learn about the other ones in their past as well. First of all, what's his face? Tsunami, him. I want to know about his past. But it was just great. And this demon, I think is it lower 1? This demon is terrible. It's just terrible. Like, it just, like, loves the suffering. It loves, like, pulling at the strings of humanity in the worst kind of way. And I hate those kind of characters. It's very much like, Poof from Hunter x Hunter, the cat ant thing. So I'm just like, first of all, I said cat ant. If you have not seen Hunter x Hunter, you'll have no idea what I'm talking about. So I apologize. But it's just like, you know, like, rather just, I don't know. It will be interesting. But their power is really cool, though. I like it when you could affect people by their dreams. I think that's just, like, a crazy, twisted way. And yeah, I've never seen, like, Friday the 13th, like, fully. But I love, like, those kind of villains that get you in your dreams. That's why it does remind me of JoJo's, because there's a dream one, and that one character I hate so much. But yeah, this was great. And again, the visuals are just everything. I'm just so in love with this creator and the people who have worked on this show, because it just gives you, like, this kind of rush, or, like, I don't know, it's like an aphrodisiac. It's just amazing to just, like, see it unfurl on the screen and just get these, like, crazy zoom shots. Oh, it's so good. I'm fanning so hard about this show, so I apologize, but it's just amazing. So I am going to jump into the next one. I think all these are for the Mugen Train. That's not gone. I just want to get it done. I want to watch it all right now, but I can't. But it's okay. We'll go on to the next one and just see what happens. It's going to be fantastic. So I'm just going to get into it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.